Most days you leave home fully charged, but sometimes you're out and about, and it's nice to know there are plenty of places to charge your Toyota All-Electric because they're compatible with almost all public chargers. Usually you don't need to plug in while on the go, but it can easily fit into your routine. While you're grabbing a coffee,
Vanilla latte for Arthur.
getting your nails done, or whatever you have planned. If you're curious about your charge, you can check the status on your smart device. Going somewhere new, maybe farther away? Your Toyota all-electric vehicle works with most public chargers, so it's easy to find places to charge, like here, and even here. Also, you can use the multimedia screen in your vehicle or the Toyota app to do more than find nearby stations. You can check availability too, and use the app to easily pay for your charge. So your vehicle's always ready whenever you are.